In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Revolut to Western Union. In order to do this, you need to have a Revolut account, and if you don't have one yet, then check the link in the description to get started for free. So let's dive into the video right now. And the first thing we're going to do from our Revolut app is clicking on the top right card section. And in here, we're basically going to select any card. It doesn't really matter. So basically select any card, and I'm going for my tutorial card. Then you will see the details of your card, and at the bottom you can see add to Apple Wallet. And this is a really important step in the process. And if you are on an Android device, you will see an option add to Google Pay or anything similar. So go ahead and do this, and then you can move on to opening your Western Union app. And when we open our Western Union app, we're going to click on send money. And in here, we are going to create a bank transfer. And in here, we are going to state a transfer. And I'm going to go with the Philippines. And let's say we want to transfer 10 euros. We click on done. And in this tutorial, we're going for mobile wallet. And right now we click on got it at the bottom. And right now we click on next again. And in here, you need to fill in the receiver's information. And when you have done this, you can basically click on add at the bottom. And then you can select your Revolut card that you just added to your Apple Wallet. You can select this card to pay with Apple Pay. And please make sure you have enough balance on your Revolut account because otherwise your transfer cannot work. So if you do everything I showed you in this video, then everything will be fine. And that is how you can send money from Revolut to your Western Union. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.